this one snuck up on me. Didn't even hear it coming. I see the end of the train down there. It's a short one. They look loaded. Look loaded to me. That's why that other switcher was waiting for that train to come through. Aha, that's why. Without a scanner, I don't know that. Now this guy should probably be leaving, I would think. Wow, pretty good activity for just getting here. Already had a southbound train come. Had one head unit and a DPO. And a whole bunch of auto racks. They looked loaded to me because the springs were really squished. Yeah, if you look at those springs on that tanker, they don't look very compressed, so I bet those are empty. And those flatbeds down there, I think those are the Department of Defense cars. They say DODX, which in my way of thinking it means Department of Defense. But I'm not sure about that. That's a guess on my part. We'll see if this guy takes off. I'm going to pause the video.